Talk to us about, I guess, the new generation reactors and, what makes them safe. Why haven't we had an accident in the last 35 years? Because there are quite a few reactors that are still operating around the world. I think there's about 440 of them, and I believe there's about 17 new reactors that are being built. There are all these new companies that are exploring micro reactors, SMR as well. There's Gen 3, Gen 4, different cooling systems. Waste is different. It's clean. Talk to us a bit more about the latest and the newest
Yeah,
technology in nuclear reactors.
yeah. So let's start with big reactors. Big reactors are generally about a gigawatt. That's 1,000 megawatt capacity. Is a typical new reactor. So traditionally they've been cooled by light water. So they're either pressurized water reactors or boiling water reactors. That's the two dominant technologies is worldwide. The leader probably worldwide at the moment is Westinghouse with their AP1000. So this is an advanced passive. So all its safety features are passive. They rely on gravity, conduction, convection. They don't need any outside electrical supplies. They don't need any operator intervention, don't need any external water supplies. China are building a lot of around that size. So that's all the big
Yeah.
ones. And they're really good if you've got a big grid system or if you need a lot of power. But of course, not everybody's got a big grid system. And you don't want a single unit on the system that's so big that if it falls off, the whole grid collapses. So there's been an interest in SMRs,
Yeah.
small modular reactors.
Yeah.
So the IAEA
Yeah.
defined these as less than 300 megawatts in power. So they can either be based on the existing light water reactors. So it can be pressurized water reactor, but a smaller size one. So that's going to be quite interesting because that's the first of the SMRs in the West. There's actually been SMRs built in Russia and China, but they tend to be disregarded because it's Russia and China and we're not going to be buying reactors from them. But actually it does demonstrate that the technology works.